This is the Amaran 300C, one of Amaran's newest lights, and it is currently my favorite light right now. It is the perfect light for filmmakers and content creators, and today I want to show you 8 reasons why this light might be the one for you. But to review a light like this, we can't do it in this small little home studio I have here, but we have to do it in like a real studio. So let's go downtown Reykjavik into my big studio and let's check it out there. This is way better. So let's check out what's inside. As soon as you open the box, you can see obviously the light is here. We have a reflector. It matches the light as well, so it's gonna match perfectly with the light. We have, of course, the power cable for standard 240 volt power. And we have the power supplies. Here you can see the size of the light. It is pretty big actually. If we take a 200X and compare them together, you can see that they are definitely, there's definitely a big size difference here, but there's also a big power difference as well. And when you put on the reflector, you can see how cool it looks. It's actually pretty dope. Got this like silver matte finish on it, which makes it really nice. Then it has this massive fan on the top and another one on the bottom. Kind of reminds me of like this space gray Apple product. Now let's go over the reasons why I think this light is perfect for filmmakers and content creators. Reason number 1 is the price, of course. This light is coming in at $569, which is considerably lower than other lights of this caliber. And obviously in filmmaking, young filmmakers and filmmakers starting off are often not with the highest budgets and money, so this is extremely affordable for what it gives you. Reason number 2 is the size and the weight. It is not heavy at all. It's only 2.6 kilos or 5.8 pounds. And that's a really good thing because you can mount this light on a bunch of different stands or mounts in the ceiling on lighting rigs and other stuff. It's also pretty small, so you can fit this in a backpack along with maybe a camera and a microphone, for those who want to do like this one-man band type of stuff. Reason number 3 is the ease of use. It is really easy to use. It only has these 2 dials on the back. It has one switch on button, and then it has the Bluetooth reset to connect it to the Sidus link. And of course, when you want to work quick, you want to set up the lights quickly, you don't really want to have a bunch of buttons or dials on the light. So this is extremely important because time is everything when you're filming. Reason number 4, power and quality. This light is extremely bright. It comes in at 26,580 lux at 3.3 feet with this reflector on. That's the equivalent to 19,389 lumens. And that will be at 5600 Kelvin, which is daylight. So you're getting a big range of temperature with a lot of power just in one light. Number 5, compatibility. It is compatible with the standard balance mount, so this means you can put a bunch of different reflectors, softboxes, and light modifiers to shape this light any way you want. And this is something that I've found more important than having a lot of lights. It's just having the right light with the right modifier. Reason number 6. Not only does it have temperature control, it also has RGB control. That's why it's called the 300C, and the C stands for color. This light has the full RGB color space, which you can control within the light itself or in the Sidus Link app. Everybody's doing weird color schemes now, teal and orange, the magenta and green. So you're gonna love this light if you wanna blast some colors on full power. Reason number 7, effects. The light has 9 built-in lighting effects, which can be police lights, it can be lightning, it can be paparazzi, it can be explosions, fireworks, pretty much anything you'd ever need in like a short film or a feature film. And these are all built in, which is pretty incredible. But obviously, the lights cannot only be used inside the light, they can also be used inside the Sidus link, which is reason number 8, the Sidus link. The Sidus link has quickly become one of my favorite features of the Aperture and Amaran series, where you can control everything from the light's intensity, its temperature and color, all the way over to effects and triggers. This is how I set up all my lights, how I match all the colors and do everything. I do it all from the Sidus link, which is incredibly easy to use. It's free. The only thing you need to do is hold down the Bluetooth reset button on the back of the lights or anywhere else on other lights, and then you will quickly see the light inside the Sidus link app where you can pair it. It only takes a couple of seconds and then you have full control over this light, making time on set way shorter and the flow of your production way smoother. So Sidus link, it's a must-have if you have Aperture or Amaran lights. Now that concludes my list of why this light might be the perfect light for content creators and filmmakers. I don't really have to say anything more. These are just my 8 reasons. The reasons could be different for you. But if I missed anything, please let me know in the comments, because I love hearing from you guys, what you guys think, and I always want to learn more about the things that I use in my daily work. I'm definitely going to use this light in the future for my job. I've already used it on big projects here in Iceland, and I don't see why this light would not be in my kit in the future. I want to quickly thank Amaran Europe for sending me this light and being the sponsor of this video. Anyway guys, let's head back to the home studio. So that's pretty much it. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think this is the perfect light for content creators and filmmakers? Or do you just think this is another light that's just gonna swoop by while all these new lights are coming out? Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.